Struggling with bulges, burn-through, or distortion in thin sheet welding? It's a common headache, but there is a reliable solution. The Kempson Water-Cooled Laser Welder offers highly concentrated energy with minimal heat distortion. Even on thin-gauge materials, the surface stays remarkably flat. Combined with a four-wheel drive precision wire feeder, it delivers consistent, clean beads every time. With zero spatter, you can skip the grinding and move straight to the next step. The weld strength is as solid as the base metal itself. Our torch features EverLens technology, allowing the protective lenses to be reused 6 to 8 times, significantly cutting your consumable costs. Plus, high-efficiency water cooling allows for 24/7 continuous operation. Equipped with a built-in isolator and filter, it operates smoothly even alongside TIG and MIG machines. No interference, just a seamless workflow. It's also intuitive. A beginner can master it in 1 to 2 days. Built with top-tier components and backed by a 3-year full machine warranty, for thin sheet welding that's efficient, precise, and cost-effective, Kempson is the smart choice.